Solution to example problem. Draw the simple projections. In the simple plan, keep the edge to be resting on HP, O' C' parallel to XY line. Now tilt the front view such that the slant edge O' C' is on XY line. Project the final top view. In the final top view, as the base is nearer to the view direction, the base is fully visible. The resting slant edge OC is hidden and hence show it by dotted line. Darken the final views to complete.
Simple, but before I think drawing this, I think we need to draw some simple plan. Like this. First they should show this type of examples. Draw the projections right circle flow of base 50 millimeter x 70 when it is resting this is very simple. They just
example problem. Front view, top view. A right circular cone of base diameter 50 mm and height 70 mm is resting on HP on its base with its axis 70 mm away from the vertical plane. Solution to example problem. Draw the plan, which is a circle with its center 70 mm below XY line. Project the corresponding front view, which is a triangle. Darken the front and top views.
So this is a similar one.
Example problem. A cylinder of base diameter 55 mm and axis length 75 mm. Draw the projections of the given cylinder with the given dimensions. Solution to example problem. Draw the top view, which is a circle. Draw the corresponding front view, which is a rectangle with its bottom base on XY line. Darken the front and top view.
that is simple one. This one you have to draw in two stages. The hexagonal prism of base side 25 mm and axis 60 mm long lies with one of its rectangular faces on horizontal plane such that the axis is inclined at 45 degrees to VP trades projections. Okay. So here it has to be drawn two stages because the prism is inclined at 45 degrees to vertical plane. So we have to draw it in two stages such that in the first stage we will draw the simple one, simple front view and top view such that we assumed it is 90 degrees to the vertical plane, but after that we will tilt the top view to 45 degrees and we will get the true views. Okay.
Solution to example problem. Draw the simple position projections. In the front view, keep a rectangular face A dash, B dash, H dash, G dash on XY line. Tilt the top view so that the axis is inclined at 45 degrees to the XY line. Now project the final front view. In this view, the nearest base is fully visible and the other base is partly visible. Darken the final views to complete the problem.
This type of problems can be asked for 10 marks usually. You can practice in your home. This type of problems also. So similar to previous one, but that one is prism. This is pyramid. We want to watch the
Solution to example problem. Draw the simple position front view as only the front view will show the true shape and size of the base. Keep one base edge C dash D dash perpendicular to XY. Tilt the step 1 top view such that the triangular face OCD is on XY line. Project the corresponding final front view. In the front view, the base is fully visible and the slant edges O dash, C dash and O dash, D dash are hidden. darken the final views to complete the problem.
So that one, say the pentagonal pyramid of base side 30 mm, axis length 85 mm has one of its triangular faces in vertical plane, and the axis is parallel to and 45 mm above horizontal plane. Okay, that one you can draw like this, in two stages. Auxiliary views. Okay, is completed, and after this, I will show you